Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I have an exciting unboxing. It's going to need to be a quick one because it's very late and I just got home from work, but this is a true unboxing. I purchased the new Van Cleef 2023 holiday pendant just through, just from pictures that my SA texted me. I haven't seen it in person, so let's get right into the unboxing. Okay, so I believe this is my receipt, and I believe this is the certificate. Yeah, that's the certificate and everything. Oh, that's nice. It looks like she included a travel pouch, which I didn't think they were including anymore, so that was very nice of her. And what else is in here? This, I do not know what that is, but for the sake of time, I'm going to look at that later because I think everyone just wants to see the pendant, including myself. So let's do this. Okay. Sorry, I'm very tired, but I really wanted to unbox this tonight because I'm dying to see it in person. Okay. So here is the box, and it's the old style actual hard box, which is really nice to reveal. Okay, and this is the pendant. Now it is night, so I don't have natural light right now. I only have the artificial light in my room, but it looks very pretty at first glance. So it is rose gold hardware, and the stone is silver obsidian. I'm just gonna look at it and see if it's coming up. Yeah, it's coming up pretty true. Let's see if I can get it to focus up close. So I'm gonna try to take some pictures in the next few days to put on Instagram, but you can see that there is a lot of texture to the stone, and yeah, it would be better if I had natural light right now, but anyway, this is the stone. I really like it. It's really pretty. I think this will be a really nice neutral that'll go with everything. And I didn't have a rose gold necklace from Van Cleef, so this kind of rounds out my rose gold collection. I have, sorry, it's stuck up here, but I have the 6 motif suite bracelet. I have my ring, so this will be a nice addition to the rose gold collection that I've started. Yeah, it's really pretty. Okay, so I'm just making this a super quick unboxing, but there you can kind of see it, the shine there. Okay, so I know that this has had mixed reviews, but my first impression is that it's really pretty, and I don't have anything like it in my collection. I imagine some people who have the gray mother of pearl or maybe even the onyx might find this a bit redundant, but I don't have anything like this, and I love that it's the holiday pendant, so it has the diamond in the center. Anyway, I'm gonna keep this short. Let me know what you think. Do you like this year's holiday pendant, or do you wish it was something different? And yeah, let me know what you think. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this type of video, please consider subscribing and also following me on Instagram. My handle there is fashionjunkie33. Thanks again, and have a great day.